guys, hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. Just letting you know, the Easy Does It gear is 10% off from now until Monday for the Black Friday Cyber Monday sales. So if you've been wanting to get some shirts or hats, now's the time to do it. I'll put the purchase link in the description and I'll also pin it in the comments. So check it out.
Okay. Justin Broadhead's coming to get that car.
Oh, okay.
So I got to try to get across the creek to get it.
I got it dug out pretty good.
Is the boom on it?
Yeah. No, the other one, no. I'll go see if I can help you find that. Pull the tractor out of the road.
Tell us how much snow we got again.
We had 17 inches on the flat spot. Lots of snow in 24 hours.
What are we looking for?
The thing that goes on the back that we can tow a car with.
Oh.
I hope he knows the general area. I'll start his truck anyway.
Yeah, there's a truck under there.
Right on the edge of the field out there.
You think you know where it is? Oh, the sling.
There it is, back over there.
He already did it this morning. Right in front of his house. He drove the four-wheeler right off there. We had to hook up and pull it back out.
Perfect. Yeah, I imagine I'll get stuck a few more times before this is over.
You should call Rudy up here and tell him to get after it.
Yeah. Hey, you took the long run.
Okay, we'll go get stuck.
All right. Have fun.
I can't wait.
Imagine we'll get stuck.
Well, between this and the Toyota.
Yeah. I think we can drive right over there, I hope. Hopefully we don't get stuck in the creek.
Yeah.
The wipers ain't working?
No.
up. Oh, no, you're good.
Did you see how Rudy solved the locker problem? Did it with the gas pedal.
That's good.
That's good.
Straight back?
Yeah. A little driver. You're against it.
Now we gotta dig the chains out.
Paul, tell us why we're doing this today and why we're not ready for it.
Well, because he texted me last night and said that he had a buddy that was coming. He bought this car from me like 2 weeks ago, and he texted last night and said he had someone coming, that if I could get it out. So we're trying. I'll have to back up some more probably. Just hook it on the sway bar. Just loop it right over the sway bar. It's a good thing about a derby car, you're not so worried about bending or breaking anything.
It'll just give the guy an opportunity to fix it. That'll ride a mile.
I think so. It's a 74 Impala. I bought it, well, I tried to buy it for a whole, like, 10 years. The old farmer that owned it wouldn't sell it to me, but he likes Crown Vics. So I ended up buying a Crown Vic, getting it running, and traded it to the farmer for this car. And I really only just wanted the front bumper off of this car. And now I've sold it to my buddy, and he's coming to get it today.
Going up the hill out of the river. Stuff right here. And then I try to get going again. I'm like, and then back into the river. Go back up.
That's usually the worst spot, is that side of the river. This truck, once you put the weight on the back, you can't steer, so you just kind of have to go where you can go with it. And it never was intended to haul cars, but it does it. How you doing? That's why it felt squirrely. Yeah. I wondered, it was all over the place.
A couple miles from losing this tire.
She was a little flat. Well, this is easier than I thought it was. I thought you guys would have to pull me up that big hill by the pond, but they plumb it fairly easy. You guys probably had a pretty easy trip when I plowed all the snow for you with the rear bumper.
Not me, I was running. It was
Oh.
pretty nice for me.
Did you figure? That truck's a combination of pretty much everything there is. It's got some of everything in it. Mostly Chevy, but Dodge and Ford.
Tires.
I don't like them is the problem. I just put some on my wood truck and I'm not a fan.
Really?
I'm really not. My BFGs, I'll dig them hands down.
I'll be dipped.
But
I know where they'll beat your BFGs. The sand.
I don't know if they will.
They will.
I don't know. I love BFGs. But places that I could go all the time with BFGs on it, when I put the Patagonias on it, it struggled.
I see.
I don't know if they're not broke in yet. They're brand new, so.
Well, you're not hurting my feelings any.
But they definitely don't wheel as good. Yeah, that's good. All you need is attention. You just have to, like Grand Theft Auto kind of stuff.
Wheel is disgusting and super sticky. Well, how do you feel about this car?
Well, it's a really good car and I was gonna run it. But I like money in my pocket a little bit better, so it's going down the road. I got other projects to build.
What's your next project?
My Toyota, I'm gonna straight axle it. I'm tired of putting parts into it. So I'm gonna put a solid axle under it and some good shocks on it to make it ride better.
What does
That's
he
what I was after.
what does he run for drivetrain?
Chevy stuff. He's got a motor and stuff he'll put in this. I think he wants to take it to Vegas, doesn't he? Where it's going. It's got a little bit of rust right in the back of the trunk, but the floor pans and everything looks solid, and everywhere it needs to be, it looks good. So I think it'll be a good car.
Sounds good. I'll get on the road and head to Pine. Okay.
Well, drive safe,
Okay,
man.
appreciate it. What's the best way to get out? Just back out?
Yeah,
all
I
the way?
usually just back and turn down that way and pull up out.
Okay, well, I appreciate it.
Yep. Take it easy,
Okay,
man.
we'll see ya.
See ya.